What's up, guys? So as you know, I recently upgraded my Blackvue DR750 over to the Blackvue DR900S, which is a 4K resolution dash cam. And as you can see, I've mounted up the DR750 back in my WRX right beside the DR900. And we're gonna go for a drive, and without any opinions or any bias or anything like that, I'm just gonna show you guys the quality and the differences between the two, literally side by side. The only thing to note is that the DR900S, the 4K resolution, is gonna be compressed and rendered out at 1080p to match the DR750, just because I can't do that any other way. But I've got them both mounted up here in my WRX, as you can see, and the DR900 is of course hardwired. And then I've just mounted the 750 back up here with it plugged into the 12-volt outlet. So without further waiting, let's go for a drive. So it's currently snowing right now. I think it's gonna snow a fair bit tonight. But this will be good for our test to show the dashcam footage in these conditions. My car is so nice and clean right now, sacrificing it for the better of this video.
Like, can I get a large double-double?
Okay.
And that's it, thank you.
Sure, thank you.
Thank you.
So I'll let you guys make your own conclusions on the quality differences between the two cameras. On one hand, the DR900S has 4K resolution. On the other hand, the DR750 has 60 frames per second. Now for both cameras, the rear camera, you might be able to see it right back there, they're the same, 1080p, 30 frames per second. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same camera. If you're interested in either of these two dash cameras, I'll have links down below to both in the description of this video. If you have any questions or opinions you'd like to share about the dash cams, feel free to leave a comment down below. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.